VW Dune Buggy parts, where to find quality replacement parts. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to build your own VW Dune Buggy. Let's get started. Body. Building a Dune Buggy starts with the chassis and frame. You'll want a sturdy foundation that can handle off-roading. Next up is the engine. You'll want a powerful engine with performance upgrades like a high-flow carburetor and performance exhaust system. This will give you great acceleration for dune running. Don't forget suspension and steering. Upgraded adjustable shocks and sturdy steering components are key for handling those sandy hills. Make sure to upgrade your brakes for safety. Disc brakes are best for stopping power off-road. You'll also want to customize the body with lightweight fiberglass panels, comfortable seats, and a good safety cage or roll bar. And don't forget big off-road tires for traction in the sand. Mount them on durable beadlock wheels so the tires stay on at low pressure. Well, that covers the basics of building your own VW Dune Buggy. For a full guide on parts and customization options, visit our website dunebugyofficial.com. The link is in the video description. Thanks for watching.